Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss our assignment questions. The first question is the acceleration due to gravity increases or decreases with the increasing the altitude. So the acceleration due to gravity increases or decreases as increasing the altitude. We know that as we go above from the surface of the earth, so value of g is decreases. So the answer is first answer is decreases. So as we go above from the surface of the earth, the value of g is decreases. Now the second one is acceleration due to gravity increases or decreases with the increasing depth. So as we go down, that means into the interior of the earth. So in this case also value of g is decreases only. So in option D also we can say that the value of g is decreases. Now the third part is the acceleration due to gravity is independent of mass of the earth, mass of the body. So we know that in the case of value of g, so value of g is given as the small letter g is the acceleration due to gravity is given as g and e divided by r is square. That means in this equation we can observe that value of g is independent of mass of the object. So option is considered as independent of mass of the object. Now the fourth option, the formula minus of gmm divided by 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1 is more or less accurate than the formula mg into r2 minus r1 for a difference of potential energy between the 2 points r2 and r1 at a distance away from the center of the earth. So we know that in the case of a first formula minus of gm1 m2 into 1 by r2 minus r1 is more accurate than this second formula. So option is more is so more accurate. So this is the way we can solve this question number 1. Now we will go to our question number 2. The question number 2 is a planet that went around the sun twice as fast as the earth. What would be its orbital size compared to the that of the earth? So you can observe that a planet that went around the sun twice as fast as the earth. So the speed of the planet is twice the speed of the earth. So what would be its orbital size compared to that of this earth? Orbital size means we have to find that orbital radius. So in this way we can consider this equation. So sun is there and around is the earth and the planets are revolving. So this is the equation, orbital radius, that means the radius of the earth. So in this case what would be its orbital size as compared to that of the earth? So in this question we have to consider this place in third law. That means the time period of revolution is proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis. So we can say that in this case the time period of this revolution is proportional to square of this time period is proportional to cube of this semi-major axis. T square is proportional to r cube. So by using this formula we can solve this question. In this question you can see that a planet that went around the sun twice fast as this earth. So if you are concerned the case of a time period of the earth, we know time period of the earth is considered as 1 year, for example. We know, so 365 days or 1 year, that is time period of revolution of this earth. So by comparing this time period of the planet is taken as, it is twice the speed as that of the earth. That means it will take half of this time compared to the earth. So we can say that half year only in that case. And you can observe that some other data is also given. What would be its orbital size as compared to this earth? So we can take this radius of the earth as 1 astronomical unit. 1 AU we can take. Astronomical unit. So we can find this orbital size of this planet. So in this case we can take this as equation as a t square is proportional to r cube only. So we can say that the time period of that planet, if you are taking the ratio between that and time period of the Earth, that is coming as you can see that radius of this planet. So divided by radius of this Earth. So we know this is a square only here, and this is coming as a cube because square of this time period is proportional to cube of that semi-major axis. So we want to find what is that this radius of this orbital size of this planet. So if you want to find, we know the method. So RT is equal to, you can see that in this case if it is coming here and we have to take the cube root only. So our equation becomes Tp divided by T 2 by 3 into Re. So this way you can do this. So Rp is equal to, you can see that time period of the planet we know that is half only. So the equation becomes a half. Time period of the Earth is 1. So raised to 2 by 3 into radius of this Earth, that is considered as one astronomical unit only. So we can find this radius of this planet as, you can see that half raised to 2 by 3 itself. So you will get this answer as 0.63 in terms of astronomical unit only. So AU is. So this is where we can calculate this orbital size of that planet.